Welcome to our video on how to make money online with online research and analysis. In this video, we'll show you the steps to take to start offering online research services and making money from them. Step 1. Identify high-demand research projects. The first step is to identify research projects that are in high demand. Some examples include market research, industry analysis, competitor research, and customer analysis. By specializing in one or more of these areas, you can become an expert and attract clients who need your services. Step 2. Price your research services and create value-packed packages. Next, you'll need to price your research services appropriately and create packages that offer value to your clients. Consider the scope of the research project, the time and resources required, and the level of expertise required. By creating packages that are tailored to your clients' needs, you can differentiate yourself from other providers and increase your chances of getting hired. Step 3. Deliver high-quality research reports. Once you have clients, you'll need to deliver high-quality research reports that meet their needs. This requires attention to detail, excellent communication skills, and the ability to analyze data and present it in a meaningful way. By delivering reports that exceed your clients' expectations, you'll build a reputation as a reliable and skilled researcher. Step 4. Build long-term relationships with clients. Finally, you'll want to focus on building long-term relationships with your clients. This means providing exceptional service, being responsive to their needs, and going above and beyond to deliver value. By doing so, you'll not only retain your current clients, but you'll also get referrals and new business from their networks. So there you have it, the steps to start making money online with online research and analysis. By following these steps, you can build a successful online business that provides valuable insights and helps your clients make informed decisions.